Ano ba? What was I talking about? Oh my gosh, guys, I freaking forgot. My breakfast. So guys, ang tip ko para sa breakfast nyo, this is like the number one. Like, do this, girl. Like, if you take anything out of this entire life, it's this. Yung breakfast nyo or your first meal of the day will set the pace of how you're going to eat the entire day. So, what I do is consciously, no sugar in the morning. Like, whether that's breakfast, brunch. Because sometimes I don't eat breakfast because I don't want to force it. You know, kung gutom ako, then I'll eat. But if I'm not, then I'm willing to skip. Brunch na lang or lunch. So, my breakfast, or yun nga, my first meal will always be protein. Protein. Put that breakfast, protein. So, every day, I have egg. Kailangan ng egg. Whether scrambled, sunny side up, poached egg. Wow, poached egg. Basta egg yung... Because I'm also trying to figure out kung ano bang, like, ano pa bang ibang options ng protein na breakfast. So, that's all I got in the bag. I just have egg. I just have 2 eggs. And then yung nga, may shirataki rice. Because I think, if I'm not mistaken, may shirataki rice protein. If I'm not mistaken, that's what I also eat. And then minsan may ulam, minsan nagbe-fish ako. I love fish. I super love fish. So fish, sometimes if I want more ulam pa, ano pa ba? There are times, nagsaspam ako, nagsasausage ako. Girl, I'm hungry. Like, I need to eat. Basta, ang importante may protein. Or, yeah, mas marami yung protein. And then for coffee, I never take coffee alone. Hindi yan pwede sa akin because it triggers my anxiety. It makes me palpitate, and it makes me bloated, and it just doesn't sit right. So, kailangan after I eat, that's when I drink my coffee. And usually, I drink my coffee when I'm out, when I'm on the go, or something like that. And then, with coffee naman, do not, I know people say parang take it before 2, right? Parang no coffee after 2 p.m. Ako mas strict. No coffee after 11 a.m. Because, girl, I gotta sleep. I need my freaking sleep. If I don't sleep, naku, patay tayo dyan, girl. Like, oh, it's not giving. Kamote. Oh, yes, I love kamote. If you can't have shirataki rice, I suggest kamote. Yan din yung favorite ko. That's also what I did before. It's just that, oh nga no, ba't di ko tinanong yung kamote? Ang sarap kaya ng kamote. Also, short kwento lang guys, nung nag-Korea kami ng... Oh, am I allowed to say this? I don't know if I'm allowed to say, bala na. Basta nag-Korea kami for something. Anyways, I was with Vince. And si Vince kasi is part of my show now, Hating Kapatid. Kami na yung love team and all. So, wala, nag-walking lang kami sa Myeongdong. And grabe, nalimutan ko pala ng favorite ni Vince, kamote. Oh my gosh. So, sa lahat ng kamote stalls, girl, pop, bumili kami ng kamote every single time. And we just kept eating kamote. So, dun na reignite yung spark ng kamote. My love for kamote. Yeah, it's crazy. So, since then, parang, ay, namiss ko talaga yung kamote. Kamote is good too. Also for snacks. You can, ano tawag dito? Ano tawag dun? Ano ulit? Not steam. Air fry? Air fry. Kaya ko ba today? Sorry guys, this is like so freaking abrupt. Anyways, what else? Oh, also for workouts, I also like doing sports. Kasi when I do workouts, I don't wanna think about, ano ba, yung, I just wanna, when I work out, gusto ko yung parang, kung sports, you're just there to play the game and stuff. So, tennis, volleyball, I haven't played in a long time. So, kung gusto nyo ako i-invite sa mga volleyball trainings nyo, games nyo, pasali naman dyan. And then for tennis, I'm slowly getting back at tennis na. I love tennis, guys. Super, super saya ng tennis. But Pilates is my number one kasi nakakakalma, but at the same time, girl, my body is burning. Like, the arms are like, Pilates kasi, if I'm not mistaken, is like resistance training. Kaya ko ba today? Yeah, but just a little bit of weight. Just a little bit, not super. But I swear, yun yung nag-tone sa akin. But I think I need to be more consistent because, girl, I want like wala, di ba? Wala. Shadow lang to. But like, yeah, I'm trying to be more like, you know, yeah. It took me, I started around, alam ko last year, Feb or March, somewhere there. And then yung weight loss ko, guys, I didn't do it in vain. Hindi yung parang gusto ko pumayat na. I just, for the first time, nag-change mindset na ako. You know what? I'll just do it for health. And it worked, in fairness, guys. The moment you change your mindset, into gusto ko maging healthy, for some reason, your fitness goals are gonna... Weight loss is a mindset game, not a physical game, y'all. As in, it's giving. Talagang, oh my gosh. Also, depende rin sa surroundings mo and your willpower. Na parang, okay, I need to be disciplined with myself and all of that. And guys, I did cut out sugar. Kailangan ko ng sugar sa buhay ko. I can't. Like, I need, ano mo yun? I don't eat like, ano ba? Portion control. But when I say portion control, hindi parang, okay, isang kagat ng chocolate and okay na ako for today. Girl, I don't want to deprive myself. The more you deprive yourself of something, the more you're just gonna resist it and like, sige, magre-rebel din ako or whatever. Also nga, gaslight yourself, girl. Don't say, kunwari, I don't know, like, you've had a lot of dessert. So you say like, gusto ko ng dessert. Gusto ko ng dessert. I want dessert. No, you say, I want dessert, but I don't need it. I don't need it. Not right now. I don't need it right now. Tapos, yun lang, basta mindset ko lang talaga, y'all, oh my gosh, the way I locked in last year talaga yung sabi ko, because I think I also freaked out because of my health. 2025 ngayon, diba? 24. So, 2023, parang towards the end of 2023, natitrigger ulit yung hypothyroidism ko. And, oh, girl, my lifestyle was not it, girl. Like, oh, I'm not giving. So, dun siguro, I think when it was my 23rd birthday, parang dun nag-hit na, girl, I gotta get my health together. I gotta do something. Because, despite the looks and all, inisip ko rin yung feeling ko. I don't like how I freaking felt na I feel heavy, I feel bloated, I feel like I'm hiding, I feel like, basta yung mga ganun, it's not, girl, it's not it. It's not it. I didn't like it. So I said, alam mo, instead of focusing on aesthetics na, gusto ko maliit yung arms ko, gusto ko maliit yung bewang ko, blah, blah, blah. Instead of focusing on that, sabi ko, girl, focus on your health and then bahala na. Whatever you look like, bahala na. Like, you know, yeah. So it took a lot of hit and misses. Also, nagpa-vitamins na ako na very, very masipag. As in, everyday, nagpa-vitamins ako. Since last year, early of last year. I mean, I would take vitamins naman, pero alam mo yung I would forget from time to time. Ito yung talagang every day, like in the morning, ito yung vitamins ko, ito yung talaga. It changes you, it gives you more like, first of all, mas blooming ka, mas like, so take your vitamins, y'all. And also, yung buhok ko, parang mas naging healthy, my skin, yung feeling ko, mas may energy ako. I take a lot of vitamins, girl. Like, it's giving. Number one talaga, vitamin C. I feel like everyone should take vitamin C. But besides that, another thing is, last year ba yun? I think that was when I visited Shinagawa. Doon ko nalaman na parang may vitamin D deficiency ako, but it was alarmingly low. I didn't really want to open up about this kasi medyo personal na pagdating sa health ko na I don't want to share too much. But basta may mga underlying sicknesses ako that I don't really want to share. But para lang alam nyo rin, I'm very frank and like, with you guys. So I'm also taking care of that. But then anyways, back to this, yung vitamin D deficiency ko, girl, it wasn't giving talaga yung... So, I had to incorporate vitamin D. And then, if I'm not mistaken, parang naka 5,000 IU. 5,000 IU ba ako? 5,000 or... Alam ko may 10,000 if I'm not mistaken. 10,000 IU. That's like international units, tama ba? But yeah, super girl, the dosaging. That's kind of crazy. That helped a lot. And then also, ano tawag? Damn girl, I'm like forgetting. Magnesium glycinate sa gabi. Yes. Sa gabi. So, vitamin D, vitamin C, and then, oh my gosh, may combo ako. Hold that thought. Oh, there, someone said I'm taking vitamin D 25,000 IU. Damn, girl, that's crazy. Twice a week. Ako nga, girl, araw-araw. The 5K or the 10K, so like, but that's good. Take your vitamins, guys. Super kailangan nyo. It helped. I know this is weird, but it helped. I don't know if it's placebo, but for me, it helped din sa cravings ko. Ako lang ba yun? It kind of like tamed my cravings. Yung mga vitamins ko, it kind of like, okay, baka hindi ko kailangan ng isa pang ganon. Like, yeah, I'll just do a full video on this sa YouTube ko or like, I don't know, sa TikTok ko. Para lang mas, what's the meaning of this, girl? Specific? Yeah. Ano pa ba? Okay, so vitamins, huge help talaga. Oh my gosh, life-changing. I love vitamins, y'all. That changed everything for me. Okay, sorry. What else? Honestly, guys, it's very simple. When people say, like, for example, paano ka pumayat? Like, diet, workout. That is the answer. It's just that there's a different type of diet sa katawan mo and different type of workout sa katawan mo. There are so many workouts na hindi talaga swak sa akin. That's where I gain weight. That's where I bloat. Kaya, kiss, bye girl. And then also mga diets na kailangan calorie counting lang. Ganon. Nothing wrong with calorie deficits or calorie counting. There's nothing wrong with that. Just for me personally, girl, not a vibe. Pinaportion portion control ko siya, but I don't count it. Guess nyo ba? Yeah, whatever. Anyways, also I don't deprive myself. Balance lang. So for example, let's say, lalabas ako. So, I think it's all discipline. So for example, gusto ko ng pasta. It's like a lot of pasta. I need to tell myself na hindi. Ang orderin ko is fish. Okay lang na may rice. Basta siguro kakainin ko half lang ng rice. Mga ganon. So, yun, fish or chicken or minsan steak. Wow, steak, taray. Ganon. And if I want pasta, pag may nag-order ng iba ng pasta, wala, ano lang ako, like, hey, can I have a bite? Like, oh, okay, thank you so much. Then from there, yung parang reward ko is, I get to have dessert. Gets nyo ba? Parang you just kind of balance everything out. So I'm not calorie counting na half ng ganto, 1/4 this, and then It's not that. So there. And also another thing that helped me is my cousin's business, si Ate Dani. Yung, ano tawag dito? Wellness Whispers. Oh my gosh, girl, that slaps. That slaps. Yung hormonal imbalance drink. And the matcha, yung pang meme. Girl, parang sabi nila, diba, parang twice a day lang yun, girl. Sinabi ko talaga kay Ate Dani, I'm so sorry, but I drink this like 3 times a day, girl. 3 times a day. It's kinda crazy, but you know, it works talaga. It really works. So I suggest, this is not sponsored. I just love my cousin and her business, and if it works, it works. Wellness Whispers, hormonal imbalance. I think mine's the banana melon. Am I right? That's what I taste. I taste banana melon, but basta yun. Oh my gosh, that slaps. It freaking slaps, girl. I think that's all. I don't really know. That's pretty much it. Girl, just be patient. Be patient. The faster you lose weight, the faster you'll gain it back. Huwag tayo dun, guys. Dun tayo sa longevity. Kagaya ng mga relationships. Dun tayo sa matagal na relationships. Mga loyal. Yung mga years na kayo, yung ganun. Huwag yung... Anyways. But we're just talking about diets. Anyways, yeah. Ayun. Wait, I'm trying to read your comments. Meal replacement po ba siya or drink it with meals? Oh my gosh, girl, no, it's not a meal replacement. Yung Wellness Whispers, from what I know, it's not a meal replacement. I don't know if it can be. Oh my God, Ate Dani, sorry if I get this wrong. But ako, no, I use it as, yun yung parang dessert ko. But that dessert has vitamins, so go off. Another thing, guys. Ito talaga. I'm not joking. Jamba juice. Hindi to sponsor, guys. I promise. But you know, yan talaga yung dream endorsement ko. And lahat ng kaibigan ko, lahat ng kawork ko, sinasabi talaga nila na, alam mo, Cass, I hope Jamba Juice gives you an endorsement. Sana maging endorser ka ng Jamba Juice. Ako talaga yung, I know, right? Like, willing talaga ako. Guys, kung alam nyo lang, nagja-Jamba Juice ako araw-araw. Yes, that's where my money goes. Jamba Juice talaga. Yung I cannot go through a day na wala akong Jamba Juice. Iiyak talaga ako. Jamba Juice saved my life, y'all. Jamba Juice is my life. I love Jamba Juice. Oh my God. Super love ko ang Jamba Juice, guys. That really saved me. Like, not gonna lie. Kaya yung mga friends ko, they're like, girl, is that how you lost weight? Puro Jamba Juice ka. I'm like, no, I don't know. But like, it just makes my day. Yan talaga yung, even if I cut a little bit, especially in the first few months of my weight loss journey, I had a hard time kasi nga, mas portion control, and also I have a problem with emotional eating, like binge eating. So I was able to fix that, and now Jamba Juice is my new addiction, girl. Siguro kung i-check ko yung, because I'm due for a blood testing, kasi you have to check your blood every 3 months kapag may hypo or hyperthyroidism ka. Girl, feeling ko pag nagpa-check ako ng blood, it's giving, ma'am, puro Jamba Juice po, not gonna lie. And amen, sister, amen to that. Like, go off, queen. Oh my gosh. Damn, guys. Okay, kalma lang. Ano yung order ko sa Jamba Juice? Okay. Alam niyo, guys, before I answer that, dream ko talaga magkaroon ng Jamba Juice flavor or Jamba Juice drink. Like, isang order ng Cassie. Isang, parang it's not vibing. Whatever, mag-iisip ako ng name. Isang order ng, comment down below na lang, guys, kung ano kaya yung dapat name ng drink ko sa Jamba Juice. Anyways, my Jamba Juice order, sorry. Guys, nagcha-chocolate mood ako. Okay, chocolate mood. 16 ounces with whey protein. So, medyo mag-i-exceed siya ng 16 ounces. And then, during the day, okay, minsan I have it twice a day, not gonna lie. So, so umaga, I add 3G energy. And girly pop, I get so hyper. Pero pag sa afternoon or gabi-ish, I think that's when I put yung daily vitamins na. Tama ba? Oh my gosh! Ayan na rin ang mga comments nyo. Kasala mode. Parang cake naman yun. Jambakas. Ah, isa pong jambakas. Okay, pwede. Pwede. Kasamba juice. I'll take kasamba juice. Pero parang pwede. It's giving. Ano yung totoong exercise? Totoo nga lahat ng sinasabi ko ngayon, y'all. Pilates lang talaga. Okay, guys, when I say Pilates, you don't need to go to a Pilates studio. But if you can, I suggest you do para may proper guidance and form and all that stuff. Pero pag hindi kaya, girl, YouTube. It's all there. You can do floor Pilates or even if may mga tawag doon, alternatives you can do at home also if you don't have a damn, what do you call that? Guys, nag-loading brain ko, sorry, di pa ako nag-lunch, it's already 2 p.m. Ano tawag doon? Like the machine thingy? Oh my gosh, kaya ko to, sorry guys. Pero search nyo lang sa YouTube Pilates, you can start sa floor, you can start sa mat, so body weight exercises. Then from there, slowly you can add a bit more weights, resistance, all that. Then walking na incline. If you don't have a treadmill or you can't go to the gym, there's so many places to walk. While everyone's running, just do your hot girl walk. Yan talaga guys, like nagpapanggap akong hot girl walk. Like if everyone's like running, ako yung it's okay because ito yung gusto ko, ito yung what works for me. So my hot girl walk. Also hiking. I love hiking. That was also my birthday gift to myself this year. Nung January, that was my birthday gift na I went on a hike. Solo hike. I was with my friend, but parang we had our alone time. We had our own moment. So hiking really helped. Yan talaga, that's a freaking full body workout, girl. It's kind of crazy. But yeah. Hiking. Ano ba? I should go back to hiking actually. Jamba Sandra. Wait, I like that. Okay, Jamba Juice. If ever we work together, ever you're watching this. Wow, talaga ba? Gagawa ako ng drink with you guys na Jamba Sandra. I like Jamba Sandra. Thank you, Jade. I'll remember that. Jamba Sandra. That's so cute. So, kailangan tatlo pala yung drinks ko. Well, I love Jamba Juice, guys. Wala kayong Jamba. Did I order? I didn't have Jamba Juice today. That's why I feel so incomplete. Oh, sad. How sad. I like how it just got quiet. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm like reading. My eyes are so blurry. I'm so sorry, y'all. Sorry about that. Oh, also, guys, quick shout out while we're all here before I bounce and skedaddle and live my life. malapit na po ang Hating Kapatid and we'll be starting promos next month if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah. I hope you guys get to support and check nyo rin mga post ko and all of that. So, yeah. I'm excited, y'all. Especially yung storyline sa school. It's crazy. It's crazy crackers up in here. It's crazy, y'all. And yung chemistry namin ni Cheska. Yes, not Vince. Cheska. Crazy. It's crazy. Wild. Yeah. Super. Oof. Wild. How many times do I work out in a week? Okay. Honestly, I don't really count. Kasi if I don't work out, parang nababad mood ako. Or, I don't know. I just need to like think straight. So, kailangan ko mag-workout at least 1 hour. Kasi minsan, especially pag sa treadmill, I get too caught up in my head. I don't watch TV. I don't do any of that. Pag nasa treadmill ako, I just play music and I just think about my life. So, yung mga 2 hours, 2 to 3. I know it's bad. It's bad. It's really bad. Like, 3 hours is too much. But, yeah. 2 hours. 2 to 3. Nasa treadmill lang ako. And my Pilates is just hardcore. Pero 1 hour. But it's really effective. Like, right after, like, it's popping, y'all. Like, pati rin sa abs. I'm like, girl, I never had, well, I had abs when I was a kid. But, like, I was a kid, y'all. Ito parang, oh. I didn't see you there. Ganon. Yeah. It's time to go, girl. It's time to go. We gotta pack this up. Also, pause. Are you guys proud? Ako nag-makeup sa sarili ko. Thanks to glass of Jelly, Kwa, and Anthea. She learned. Also, my lashes, wala akong ano, these are my real lashes. Thank you, Strokes. I always get Kera lift lang. I don't put, ano tawag dun? Wala akong lash extensions. I just do a lift. Makes life easier, you know what I mean? Grabe, ngayon ko lang na-realize na I filmed a Get Ready With Me in Australia. Hindi ko pa siya in-edit and na-post. I think I should do that. I'm gonna do that. Sorry. Also, guys, let me know if you want to see a perfume collection. Kasi ang dami kong, girl, like, dami kong mga hidden gems that I can share. It doesn't have to be hidden, y'all. Walang gatekeeping dito. Lahat tayo masaya. Wala tayo masaya. What? I just wanna share, you know. Anyways, yeah. Thanks so much for like joining me and vibing. Yeah. Oh my god, someone said perfume collection, please. Okay, yes, got it, y'all. Got it. Car in the bag. Yeah. I think that's it. Okay, bye y'all. Thank you for joining me. And I'm gonna be posting a TikTok right after this dahil nandito na tayo. And basta guys, kung ito yung background, alam niyo na nag-TikTok ako. That's when you know, girl. Also, I don't wanna show my room because like, I wanna, gusto ko pa siyang ayusin kasi hindi pa ako masaya, hindi pa ako happy or content sa room ko. Damn, that's crazy. Anyways, yeah. Bye. I'm gonna bounce y'all, but thank you guys for joining, and I guess I'll see you in my next live, which I don't know when that's gonna be, girl, but like, bye. Thanks for all the love. Stay positive and no bashing and all good thoughts. Also, if you made it till the end, I also want to announce may bagong movie ako for this MMFF. Okay, I never announced it, y'all. You didn't hear anything. Oh. yeah, I'll just wait for the proper announcement. Okay, bye. Thank you, guys. Ito na, legit na alis na ako. Bye. Stay happy, no bashing. Stay sharp, stay clear, stay happy. I don't know. Bye.